turning your engine 1W42. Turning good. The front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor look nice. And on this side, engine's looking good. Engine's turbo, no damage. Quick as well on the gearbox. Everything nice, we don't see any damage. And on this side, engine's looking good. Starter in good conditions. Altimeter look nice. And on the top, all connectors and injectors looks good. You don't see any damage. Everything nice. Same smell like on the bottom. No cracks. No leaks. And turning your engine 1W42.